Let's be honest, when we get in a rush, we tend to grab the same old outfits, but some of those go-to pieces are not doing us any favors. We look frumpy, we look rushed, and definitely not our best. And when I say we, I mean me. So today I'm showing you some of the things I tend to reach for and what we can wear instead to make us look instantly more put together. Let me know which one of these before outfits looks like you down in the comments. And I'm not gonna lie, I am guilty of every single one of these, and let's get into it. So this first outfit is something I typically wear when I get out of bed, you know, the baggy, comfortable, either yoga pants or sweatpants. These pants that I'm showing you right here are from Walmart, and I have probably 6 pairs of them because they are so comfortable. 99% of the time, that is the first thing I'm putting on when I get out of bed. They're like pajamas, masked in, you know, kind of a yoga pant. The thing that draws me to this outfit is that it's comfortable and I can clean the house, I can do dishes, I can work in it, like all of the reasons that we reach for these go-to pieces. But if we are walking out the door, and I have walked out the door in that, by the way, but I want to look more put together. And I talked about this at the beginning of the summer that I was going to be more intentional with wearing the clothes that I have. So here's what I've come up with to wear instead of this. So next up, you're seeing a very comfortable, stretchy pair of ankle pants. They're from Uniqlo. These are fantastic. They're stretchy, they're comfortable. There is no reason I can't put those on in place of those sweatpants. And then the top is actually what I'm wearing here. This is from Quince, and it's also in a very stretchy knit fabric. I love the Johnny collar on it. It has the buttons so you can create that same V shape that the worn out t-shirt has. And then I switched out the sneakers to a pair of slides, which are, I mean, they're not sneakers, right? But they're also very comfortable and very easy, actually easier than sneakers to put on. So this is another way to do it that is equally as comfortable, but more put together. The next outfit probably resonates with a lot of you. Again, I'm guilty myself, is just grabbing those oversized jeans and just whatever t-shirt you can grab out of your closet. These are definitely not doing anybody any favors, especially if you're petite, because all of it just overwhelms our frame. So what I'm switching for is a well-fitting pair of jeans. The ones that I have on are actually just Levi's. They are the wedgie fit Levi's, and they are such a great fitting pair of jeans. They have a lot of structure, but they're very comfortable. I really like them, and I think the fit is beautiful. Switched out the graphic tee, the oversized graphic tee, for a more fitted basic plain t-shirt. This one is from Quince. This t-shirt has a beautiful shape to it. It is fitted, it has stretch in it, so it is very comfortable, but it looks 10 times better than that graphic oversized t-shirt. And so you still have jeans and a t-shirt, but you look way more put together in this. And then I also switched out the sneakers for another slide, added a straw bag, and 10 times better. Next up are your super comfy, cozy shorts and a tank top. So nothing inherently wrong with this outfit. It just may not be completely appropriate if I'm, if I've been out in the yard, if I've been working around the house. Maybe not something that I want to go out shopping in. So instead of the shorts, I switched out for a pair of wide leg linen pants, equally as cool and comfortable, if not more. I traded out that cotton tank top for a cashmere tank top. This is another piece from Quince, and this tank top is so soft, so lovely. It has stretch in it. It hardly feels like you have anything on, and it just takes the entire outfit up a notch while still being casual. But it's so much more put together. It is definitely more flattering and just more appropriate, and just not as casual as those fleece shorts and the cotton tank top that just kind of looks like I've been out in the yard. So still comfortable, just elevated. I've got a couple more for you, but before we move on, I would love it if you would hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps my channel, and it also helps me to know if you'd like me to create more content like this. So hit that like and hit that subscribe, and let's move on. Next up, okay, this one might be a little controversial because I love my t-shirt dresses just like the next person, and there's a reason we wear them. They are comfortable, they are loose, they're not sticking and clinging to us when it's 1,000 degrees outside. But when you start adding the jean jacket and the sneakers, but I feel like this look is kind of, we've been there, we've done that, we need to move on from that. I'm still gonna wear my t-shirt dress, but hear me out on this one. So I think what is a more updated and still casual, but just looks nicer, is more of an A-line dress. So I'm showing this one in this light blue color, and it has the pleating details and the buttons. You can create a nice V shape to show off some jewelry at the top. And then maybe instead of a jean jacket, let's switch that out for a linen jacket, which I love a linen jacket. Too hot to wear this outside, but when I go shopping or when I go to a restaurant, I usually have some sort of jacket with me. So I love the two colors paired together, and the linen jacket is such an upgrade from your regular denim jacket, which I think has had its day, if I'm being honest. I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments from that, I think, but I'm just saying, there's a place for those too. But I think this looks so much better, and it is just as comfortable as that t-shirt dress that just has absolutely no shape. So maybe instead of going for a t-shirt dress, go for something more A-line. I mean, you could even add a belt with this dress, but I just don't think it needs it. The whole outfit just needed some more detail, some more interest with the pleating and the buttons, some jewelry, and a different jacket. Next up are the little spandex capris and a tank top. So this is something that I would work out in, walk in, you know, all the things. And I'm so guilty of going for a walk or doing a workout and just leaving that on for a little while, and then something comes up and I might need to run to the grocery store and I just wear it out. I mean, it's disgusting, I know. I mean, but I'm just saying, it happens sometimes. Tell me in the comments if you have done that too, where you just, whatever comes up after your workout or your walk, and you just end up leaving it on. You have to run out to the grocery or whatever. So I want to get out of that habit. It doesn't look great. Save it for the gym, save it for your walks, save it for working in the yard. What I think is a much better option are these cropped pants. They are in the most soft, buttery fabric. They are comfortable, they have pockets, they are very, very stretchy, and look 10 million times better than the little tight capri pants. Forget what you call them, capri pants, whatever. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. And then I traded that tank top just for a simple Johnny collar polo sweater. This one's from Amazon, but it looks so nice. And then switched out, of course, the sneakers for a pair of slides and added a bag, and still equally as comfortable, but how much better does that look? And I love these cropped pants. I got them from Quince and I wasn't sure if I would like them, but I love them. And the fabric is, oh my gosh, so soft and comfortable. I love them. So this is a great swap out for workout wear or joggers or whatever you have that you want to swap out for. So these were all just suggestions on some smart style swaps. It doesn't have to be uncomfortable. It doesn't have to be fussy. It's just a few smarter style choices. And as I mentioned, I am just as guilty at this. I am not preaching to you. I'm really preaching to myself because I need to do better. I said I was going to do better at the beginning of the summer, and I need to stay and stick with that promise. Let me know down in the comments which one of these resonated with you the most and which style swap you liked the best. I'm going to leave a couple of videos for you to watch next right here, and thank you so much for watching. Please do hit that like and subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video, and have a great week, everybody.